Hello everyone, here me and my friend will make a roleplay video here. We will make a video about the steps to take when caution and sort of breath. Me as a midwife and my friend as a patient. First of all, prepare 3 pillows. Number 1, 30 minutes laying on your belly. Number 2, 30 minutes laying on your right side. Number 3, 30 minutes sitting up. Number 4, 30 minutes laying on your left side. Last, then back to position number 1, laying on your belly.
Thank you for watching.